This is the MOTOFLATE. You'll find 2 tire pods along with a MOTOFLATE adapter. For motorbikes with straight valves, carefully unscrew the valve cap and place it securely in one of the 2 built-in slots. Take a tire pod from the pouch and screw it firmly onto the valve stem. Repeat this step for the other tire so it is ready. Once both tires are set, carefully screw the MOTOFLATE adapter onto the air compressor hose and tighten it securely before use. You're now ready to connect. With a single magnetic click, the tire pods snap on the adapter, allowing you to inflate your tires to the exact pressure required. When finished, disconnect the MOTOFLATE with a smooth sideways motion and close the cap to complete the process. For motorbikes with angle valves, repeat the previous steps and screw the tire pod onto the valve stem. Unscrew the 45 degrees valve attachment from a MOTOFLATE adapter and screw it directly onto the air compressor hose. Ensure it is tightly secured and ready for use. You're now ready to connect. With a single magnetic click, the tire pods snap on the adapter. When finished, disconnect the MOTOFLATE with a smooth sideways motion and close the cap to complete the process. For road use, detach the MOTOFLATE adapter from the hose and store it neatly. Carefully unscrew each tire pod from the tires and place them securely back in the MOTOFLATE pouch, ensuring they are stored safely and ready for the next time you need them. Replace the valve caps on each tire. Your setup is now complete. Ride hard, stay safe, and enjoy every mile across the track, trail, and open terrain ahead. We are here to take it to the max.